Well, go on everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be preparing one of Jamaica's most beloved Sunday dinner drink, the soursop juice. So I have here with me two nice soursop that has been ripened to perfection. The soursop is a superfruit which helps to kill cancer cells, fight bacteria, stabilize blood sugar levels and boost your immune system. This little fruit comes loaded with vitamin C and is very high in fiber but low in calories for those of us that are counting. The soursop trees are mainly found in tropical regions. The fruit is a combination of strawberry and pineapple and is a very sweet taste when it's ripened. Actually, the entire tree is said to be beneficial. The leaves are very popular for making tea, which is said to help with ailments such as back pain, relieve stress, treat insomnia, and help with depression and much more. So I implore you, get yourself a cup of soursop leaf tea. Sit back, relax, and watch me as I show you how I deal with soursop juice. I will be showing you how to make it both ways, with lime or with milk. So first and foremost, you want to ensure that your hands are properly washed, and you also want to ensure that the fruit is properly washed as well. You will know the fruit is ripe because it has a very aromatic smell coming from it. It smells very sweet. So the next step, we're going to start by peeling the skin away from the fruit. You will also know that it is ripe by how the skin peels away from the fruit. The skin should be just peeling away, just like this one. And all the skin, we put it separately in a different container. Because while we are peeling, we are getting juice from the soursop because it's going to be dripping juice. And as you can see here, my soursop, they are very juicy. Now we will open up the soursop, we'll break it in two and remove this part. It's called the heart or the stalk. Always remove this part. This part is also good for your nerves. So we'll now break up the soursop, and as you can see, these are pulps. It's made up of little pulps, and each pulp has a seed, and each seed can give you one tree. So imagine how many soursop trees you can get from one soursop fruit. We will just continue to work our hands through the soursop, squeezing the juice from the pulps, and then we will add water to it. So to this, we're going to add 2 cups of water and work our way through it, and we will extract the juice from it using a strainer. This is smelling so nice, so aromatic. So we're just going to add 2 cups of water to each soursop, and I had 2 soursops, so I'm using 4 cups of water, and that would be it. And we're just going to use our hands and work it in. I'll do this for about 5 minutes. Squeeze all the juice from it, incorporate the water and the natural fruit to get a nice, rich, thick consistency. You can also eat the soursop as a fruit as it is. You can also use it to make soursop ice cream, or you can also use it to make a soursop smoothie. And this is the reason why I said we need extremely clean hands, because it is a handmade drink. Some people blend it, but I am doing it the traditional way. After working my hands through and through and squeezing as much juice as I can from the pulp with my hands, it is now time for me to strain the liquid from the pulps. So I am using a strainer to extract my juice. I am also using a spoon to help extract the juice that are left in the pulp. You can also add a little more water to these pulps and see if you can get some more juice from them. And this is smelling so aromatic, so tropical. So this is all that is left of our soursop. This is all pulp that will be thrown away. You can know that there is not much juice left in it when you see the pulps looking like this. You can almost see the seeds very clearly. This right here is unsweetened soursop juice. A lot of people will consume it as it is because, as we know, there are people with dietary needs and dietary restrictions. So some people cannot have sugar, so they will have the natural fruit juice as it is. So you can have it just as it is, unsweetened, because the soursop is naturally a sweet fruit, and you can add the amount of water that you want to it to keep it at the consistency of sweetness that you want. So as promised, I am showing you the lime version first. All you have to do, I'm starting out with a half a cup of sugar. You can also use granulated sugar if you wish, and I am squeezing a half a lime in this. You don't need a lot of lime because, as I tell you, this is a super fruit. It comes with its own tanginess and it comes with its own sweetness. And we'll just give that a swirl, and this should be ready. Now you can just pour this over ice or enjoy it as it is. Okay, so now to make the milk version of our soursop juice, I am adding this SUPLIGEN right here. I am adding about a 3/4 of it, and a pinch of cinnamon extract, and another small pinch of vanilla. We'll just mix that in a little first. To this I am also adding 1 cork of rum. That's my little secret ingredient right there. I will grate a little nutmeg in that as well. Then, using some condensed milk, you will just sweeten according to your taste. And we'll just mix everything together. And we can now pour this over ice and enjoy. And there you have it, the soursop juice done 2 ways. The lime version, which is refreshing, healthy and delicious, and also the milk version, which is creamy, spiced, filling and full of flavor. This is natural medicine in a glass. You can put it to chill or pour it over ice to enjoy. The full recipe will be in the description below, along with my Instagram link. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so right now. Tap on the post notification bell, like, leave a comment and share. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.